Puppy yawns, woof, woof, woo. Kitten stretches soft and slow. Tiny paws reach tip to toe. Bunny's ears begin to glow. Morning sun makes them shine so. Rise and shine, tiny crew. Hamster rolls out of his bed. Sleepy fur upon his head. Good morning, world. Time to play. Tiny animals start their day. Breakfast time, let's all eat. Yummy treats that are so sweet. Tiny paws all work in line. Cleaning up is so divine. Now our room is clean and bright. Time for hugs and smiles so light.